Alright, welcome back everybody. So in this video, I'm going to show you all a few useful text formatting tags that you may be interested in. We'll need some sample text to work with. This is normal text. We'll create additional lines of text, so I'm going to surround this text with a pair of paragraph tags, just so that when we add additional text, they will be added to a new line. Let's copy this line and paste it 9 additional times, let's say. There we go. First set of text formatting tags that I'll show you is bold. Any text that you need to bold, just surround that text with a pair of B tags. We need an opening B tag and a closing B tag. This is normal text. And you can see that the word normal is bold. Let's change that to bold, just so that it's more descriptive of what it does. Okay, so any text you need bold, just surround with a pair of B tags. The next set of tags is italic. Surround any text that you need italic with a pair of I tags. This is italic text. We have big. This is big text. We have small. This is small text. Sub for subscript. This is subscript text. Superscript. The tag name is sup, like you're saying sup to somebody. This is superscript text. We have inserted. Inserted is just underlined. INS for inserted. This is inserted text. There's deleted. Deleted will create a line through some text. This is deleted text. And there's one more, it looks like. I miscounted. There's also marked. So we use a pair of mark tags. Any text that is marked is highlighted. So yeah, those are a few text formatting tags that I thought you should know. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to smash that like button, leave a random comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to become a fellow bro.